Oh my god, we're here, we're in. We're here, we're in. It's happening. Oh, this keyboard's all sticky on the bottom. Ooh, who could have been eating bread, PB&J sandwiches at the desk? Not me. That would never happen. How dare you? I resent the mere suggestion that I would have done something like that. So rude. So rude. Hello everybody, we are once again back doing something new. That's right guys, we're playing The Farmer Was Replaced, I think it's called. It's like a farming sim, but you program to get the little drone friends to do what you need to do. And we're gonna kind of figure it out together as we go along. We're gonna learn and we're gonna do. Getting started. This window contains information about everything in the game. Okay, you can move it around. It's like Windows. To get started, go to first program page by clicking it. There's hyperlinks. Be sure to check out the buttons on the top right corner of the screen. Okay, there's buttons. A tooltip explaining what they do. One of them opens the tech tree. Tech tree? Oh, there's tech trees. Grass. There's speed. Increase the speed of both the drone and execution. Hats. Change hats. Hats. Green hat. Okay. Oh, hats.green hat. Okay. So there's like functions. There's like properties and stuff. All right, sounds good. Open the unlock tree. Oh, I see. What is this? Then open a new info window. Okay. Create a new code file. Okay, let's go to first program. First program, text editor. All programming is done in code windows. Each code window responds to a text file containing code. You can rename the file by clicking on its name at the top of the window, like this. The code can be edited in any text editor, so long as it's not running. You can execute the program directly by pressing the green play button in the code window. Sorry, I'm having delicious coffee. You can create more code files using the plus button in the upper right hand corner of the screen, like this. This one's called full. You can dock a window into another window by dragging it, like this. Like this. Oh, now they're friends. And I can separate them. Oh, cool. You'll notice that once you start typing, a simple code completion window will pop up. Press tab to insert the code completion. Okay. Use the arrow keys to navigate through the completion options. Alright, so it's like a Python type of dealio. Don't worry if this is your first time programming. The language is unlocked step by step, so you won't be overwhelmed. The syntax is also similar to that of Python. Yes, Python, I love you. Which is one of the most widely used programming languages. So learning it is not completely wasted. If you already know Python, it's not a problem either. You'll just be able to skip the early game quickly to get to the more interesting stuff. Currently, we have two drone commands available. So we have harvest and do a flip. So if I just put do a flip, and then I go parenthesis. Oh, that's not how you parentheses. That's not how you parentheses. And then I run this. He did a flip. He flipped. These are function calls. You can think of a function as a command that can be executed. Oh, deadly. You execute using the parentheses. Try typing these statements in the code window and pressing the execute button. You can think of your code as a sequence of statements. You can run multiple statements in a row like this. Harvest, do a flip, harvest. Okay, let's just copy and paste that and just stick that right over here. And then I don't have to harvest, flip, harvest. Okay. I'm gonna take F0 and I'm just gonna put in our function names in there because there's no way I'm gonna remember this. Collecting glass will give you hay. Hay can be used to unlock loops. Ooh, in the unlock menu. Open the unlock menu in the top right corner. While true equals harvest. Okay, perfect. So now we have a harvest loop. Did I do it? Is it unlocked? I did it. It didn't do anything. Can I use while now? While? No, I can't. Hey, why couldn't I unlock it? Oh, I need 5 hay to unlock it, I see. Well, let's just copy paste a bunch of hay. Oh, you jerks. It needs to be in its own line. Listen, you know what I mean. Why can't the syntax be easy? While. Oh, yes. The while loop. I've unlocked the while loop. The value is true and false, so it tests the condition at the top. And while it's true, the loop is gonna run. Okay, so you don't have to worry about infinite loops. I did try to put a bunch of harvest in a row, but now we can make them loop. I'm not gonna read all this. Listen, listen. We're just gonna copy this because this is what tests if this loop is gonna run, and this is what the loop contains. So if we just put this in here, it's always true, so it's always gonna run, and this guy's just gonna harvest over and over and over again. Normally creating an infinite loop is a bad idea because it will freeze the program, but in this game there are delays between each iteration, so it will cause the drone to keep doing a flip until you manually stop it. Oh, I meant to put harvest in there, not do a flip. Stop, I messed up. That's better. Alright, now he's harvesting to his heart content. Notice how the line after each colon is indented. Indentation like this is used to separate blocks of code. Just press tab to add indentation and shift tab or backspace to remove it. Oh, shift tab, okay. I didn't know about that. The loop will repeat all indented statements after the colon. Statements after the indented block will be executed after the loop has finished. Okay, sounds good. Sounds good. I mean, I guess you can just keep doing this stuff. Grass. Oh, I need 300 for that? What's this? Increase the speed of both the drone and the code. Yes. Faster. Speed upgrade. He's going so fast. The execution, he said, doubled. The problem is that the drone now harvests faster than the grass can grow, resulting in no harvest at all. To deal with this, if branches and the can harvest functions are now unlocked. Ooh. So far, we only had true and false conditions, which is of course not very useful. The new function can harvest provides a better addition. Can harvest returns true if the plant under the drone can be harvested. Okay. So just hold on. We're just gonna loop in here. And we're gonna put an if, then we're gonna stick can harvest in there. I know it's an error because you're a butt, and then semicolon. And then in here we're gonna put harvest. In here we're gonna put a harvest. And now he's gonna wait until he... What? Oh, I didn't do that. Tab. Is this better? Are you happy? Yay. So now he waits until he can harvest, and then he harvests. Oh, this coffee's not very good. So, okay, you get it. Yeah, you can use if to prevent drones from harvesting too early. Easy peasy. Easy peasy. Okay, now what? Do I just... Oh, I'm gonna put can harvest in here because I'm not gonna remember this. Let's just stick it down here somewhere. This is just our notes. This is just our notes. Notes, go up here. You live up there. Okay. Collecting grass will give you hay, which can be used to unlock the loops in the unlock. Okay, we already did that. Let's go unlock more things. Hats? Hats, you have unlocked a new hat color for your drone. Equip them like this. Change hat. Can I just like make a new code block and then do that while they're doing stuff? Or like, run? Run? Oh, it pauses the other one, so... Okay, I understand. So we can change the hat color. I don't know what that does for us. Can we do this one yet? No. Can we do this one? Expand the farm and unlocks movement. Your farm has grown. This space, this is getting a little crazy. Yes, delete. This space is not much use if you can't move the drone. So there's a new function called move. Ooh, that moves the drone. Move requires that you specify the direction in which you want the drone to move. There are 4 new constants for this: north, east, south, west. For example, move north will move the drone 1 square north. If we move over the edge of the farm, the drone will be moved to the other side of the farm. Oh, okay, so it loops? Okay, so if we just put, like... Here's what we're gonna do. So if you can harvest, harvest. Okay? And then, let's say, if you can't harvest, else, we're gonna say move north. How do you feel about this? Harvest, 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 harvest. Oh, he's doing it. He's doing it and he's looping. Oh, good job, drone. You're doing such a good job. I'm so proud of you. Okay. Can we get this one yet? No. Unlocks plant entities.bush. All right, let's unlock entities.bush. Bush Senior. Bush Jr., the war criminal. Grass is nice because it grows automatically. All other plants have to be planted with a plant function. The only plant you can plant right now is a bush. You can pass the type of plant you want to plant. You can pass the type of plant you want to plant to the function like this. Plant, entities, bush. Okay, go in our notes. This will plant a bush under the drone. Call clear to reset the farm to all grass and reset the drone position. Okay. It seems that if you grow more than one type of plant on the farm at the same time, you can sometimes get a higher yield. You'll need to research Polycule to learn more. Ooh, hi Memerman, how's it going? Okay, so if we plant other stuff, we can, Alright, hold on. Let's make a new file, and let's, call this Bush. I wish I knew any songs by the band Bush Planter. It's Nush Planter. Alright, it's Nush Planter. If I just go like this and whoop, oh, I planted a bush. It planted a bush. So now it can be like whoop 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 whoop. Oh, I destroyed the bush. Okay. So we need to. Oh, what are you planning now, Memerman? I'm also planning ahead for the future. I'm trying to get this drone to farm and make us money. Oh, look, Bush gave us stuff. All clear to reset the farm to all grass and reset the drone position. All right. It seems okay. We already read all that stuff. So let's if you can harvest, then plant a bush. I wonder if this will work. I wonder what'll happen, because it's gonna replace all of them with bushes, but because of the timing, maybe it'll just skip over some stuff. Okay, and then it'll go back and forth. Oh, sweet. So it does create grass that it can cut and then do it's very inefficient. Something's not right here. Because we're not getting grass. Hey, why are you harvesting when you can't harvest? This was working, right? Yeah, now it's getting grass again. I don't know why I was doing that. I'm planning to save up money when I get a job at the beginning in Yester and buy a Remington. They killed MLK Jr. for my 18th birthday. Memerman, that's this cursed info dump. Cursed ass info dump. Give me grass. More grass yield. What is this? Oh, we already have bush. What's this? Carrots. Till the soul and plant carrots. Unlock cost 50. Okay, well let's make our way there. I would like the middle plant to be... I would like the middle plant to be a bush. Hey, I don't understand why when I added like a plant bush here thing, it ruined everything. Let's think about this. So it's gonna check if it can harvest. If it can, it's gonna harvest. But then I wanted to plant a bush. Is there like an if bush? Is there an if bush command? I guess we don't know if there's an if bush command. Just plant a tree. Okay. Oh, I see the grass starts growing and then he's immediately planting a bush. That's why. That's why once it is bush, he's just destroying the grass and just harvesting bush. That doesn't really help me very much. Oh, I forgot to put move in here. Move. I'm not buying this because of its infamous history and use. Thank you for clarifying me, man. That's what we do here. We require specific clarification. Ooh, it's gonna be 3x3. Expand 2. Your farm has expanded again. Now the tiles are no longer in a nice row, so you need to find a way to traverse the square grid. Well, with the while loop, this is not possible until you unlock census and operations. Oh, I can't do that. It's time to introduce the for loop. Ooh, you can read all about the for loop in the for loop page, but for now you only need to repeat a code a fixed number of times. Okay, so it'll repeat a set number of times, huh? So let's do for I in range 3. No, that's not gonna work. Let's put it here. For I in range 3. That'll do 0, 1, 2. Yes, okay, so range n goes from 0 to n minus 1. So this will do 0, 1, and 2. And so this will go up 1 row. And then at the bottom, I would like for you to move east. Is it capitalized? Yeah, it's capitalized. Okay, so this should go up 1 row. That's not what you were supposed to do. Hey, that's not what you were supposed to do at all. Let's put a clear in here. Clear. Oh, I have to actually run it. Clear. Okay, you're at the bottom. You're at the bottom. Harvest. 1 more. Why? Why did you only do 3? Why did you only do 3? Oh, it's because move also counts as a thing. Oh, I see. We don't need this then. We don't need this if statement at all, actually. What if I just tell you to just move? How do you feel about this? How do you feel about this? Instead of checking anything, we're just gonna have it go down the row assuming it can do it. Yes? Yes, and then it moves over. Yes! Oh, perfect! Little robot, I'm so proud of you. I'm so proud of you, and we'll just we'll just assume that it'll be fine. So let's stick the wild true back in here. And then we're gonna have to indent all these things. So I'm just gonna Control X, we're gonna tab, and then Control V. That's not what I wanted. We need more tabs in here. Tab, 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 tab. So it's gonna do 3 of these, and then it's gonna move east, I hope. Yes? Yes, it's going. And then it should loop back to the beginning, please. Ah, it's working. It's working. The drone is droning. It's even collecting stuff. Let's stick an if statement in here. Let's say if you can harvest, you're gonna harvest. Otherwise, just move. I know it's not a valid expression because I haven't finished typing it. You jerk. Harvest. If you can harvest, then plant, and then move. So now it's gonna check if it can harvest. And then it's gonna move up. It's doing it so good, our little drone. Our little drone, you guys. Okay, I'm gonna let that loop for just a second. Give me 1 second, everybody. I need to make an advertisement. I need to advertise my stream. I'll be right back, everybody. Hey, let me type. Guys, I'm such a bad typer. I gotta be like the worst typer of all time. I'm truly horrendous. I'm truly horrendous. Hey, how do I share? How do I share my stream? Huh? Who knows? Who knows, actually? It's a mystery? It's a mystery wrapped in an enigma? Oh, I can share. Ooh. No, maybe later. Hey, let me share. I have shared. Guys, I'm learning all about computers. Okay, let's get back to farming. Are we farming still? Are we collecting? Range n creates a loop. Okay, the function get world size is also available now. Ooh. Let's put it up here. It returns the side length of the farm. This way you can write code that won't break with the next expand upgrade. Oh, okay. It gets a side length? Oh, it must be this length. Okay, so it probably gets this length. And so that'll let us delete this 3 in here. So now we can get this function to work for any size. I still haven't figured out how I'm going to... Like, I think I messed it up a little bit. Yes, now it's at the top. That's fine. That's fine. He can just be at the top there. It's a, it's a little janky. Yeah, that's basically the function we have over here. They're just letting him know how to do it. If you're stuck trying to figure out how to move the drone around the farm, see the hint below. Show hint. Okay, no, we're fine. Is there anything I should do? No, that's pretty much what we did. Okay. Let's close this. Oh, there's an error up here because I mistyped it. Okay. Let's unlock more stuff with the tech tree. We can do carrots. Till the soil and plant carrots. Before you can plant carrots with plant entities.carrot, you have to till the soil. Okay. I'm gonna steal this and stick it over here. You have to till the soil. This will change the ground to grounds.soil. Till the soil, simply called till. Calling till again will change it back to grounds.grassland. Okay. Planting carrots costs wood and hay. These items will be automatically removed when calling plant entities.carrots. You can see the cost of any plant on its own page. Oh, okay. Well, thank you. Oh god. Oh god. Alright. Drone, you're really overwhelming me. How are we gonna decide? So, okay, we want a variety of things in this farm. And each time it goes up one thing, I would like for it to plant something different. So instead of for eye and range get world size, we're just gonna... oh, that's a good question, actually. How are we gonna get it to do one then the other? I mean, I guess we could just kind of do it like the stupid way. We could just be like, harvest? Where's harvest? Harvest? Actually, can you clear, please? Thank you. Harvest. So it's gonna harvest the wheat. Then it's gonna move north. Hey, come back here. You need to come back one. Then it's gonna plant entities bush. Nope, yep, move north. Harvest? Not harvest? Harvest? Then it's gonna plant bush. Okay, then it's gonna move north. Then it's gonna till. Well, my caps lock is on. Then it's gonna till. Then it's gonna plant entities.carrot. And then it's gonna move east. Oh, he's doing it! He's doing it! Our little drone! Our little drone is doing so good! And then he just repeats the cycle. Something's not quite right. Something's not quite right. I forgot to move north. I forgot one move north. Hold on. Hold on. This should go right here. Let's try that again, shall we? Harvest. Plant bush. Plant plant. Harvest. Plant bush. Plant carrot. Oh, he's doing it. He's doing it. Our little drone. Our little drone. Why do we have this? What does this mean? Warning, cannot plant entities carrots on ground out grassland. Okay, that's fine. It was just bad code, but now it's fixed. Now it's fixed. Let's unlock something else. Tools to help with debugging programs. Cost that and that. Debug. Sometimes your code just doesn't work and you need to find out why. There's a couple more tools to help you do that. The first is execute the program step by step. You can go into step-by-step mode with the button next to execute button or by setting a breakpoint. That's this one. Breakpoints can be added by clicking on the breakpoint panel to the left of the code. Here? Oh, I see. So if I stick a breakpoint here, will he stop? Oh, neat. Oh, that's so cool. Okay, so he stops at the breakpoint when I add a breakpoint. The print function can also be very useful. It will write any value passed to it directly into the air. Examples, print. Let's try this. Print? Where did you print it? Hey, where? Print. Oh, he just like poops it out. It's really funny. All right, let's stick print in here. I'm assuming he just stays in the correct place. Keep farming, little drone. Print can print true or false. You can get the current position. Ooh, that's really handy. Thank you for telling me about get position. That's actually huge. The print function prints a value directly into the air in the output page. Writing into the air can sometimes be a bit slow if you want to print a lot of values. In this case, you can use the quick print. I don't know if we'll need that, but let's stick it in our notes. Let's stick it in our notes here. We need to clean this up a little bit. There you go. Perfect. The output window also logs warnings and errors, so if something doesn't work as expected, it can be useful to check that. When the execution stops, the output is also written to the output.txt file in the game. Okay. That's too in-depth. Why are you yelling at me? I thought I fixed the carrot situation. Why did you... Are we collecting carrots? We're not collecting carrots. Maybe they're not getting a chance to grow. I don't think our carrots are getting a chance to grow. We need more can harvest. If can harvest? Harvest. No, not H harvest. Not H harvest. And harvest. Okay, you, come here. So if you can harvest, harvest. Otherwise, just move north. We're just gonna replace all these with if can harvest. Oh, I just forgot a harvest in here. That's what's going on. Oh, he's harvesting carrots. Wait. We gotta start at the beginning. Otherwise, everything's all messed up. Everything's all messed up. He's out of position. He's out of position. He needs to be back in position. Okay, so he should plant bush, then carrots. Good. Oh, he's tilling already tilled fields. He's tilling already tilled fields. That doesn't help with anything. Hey, how do I get him to not till? I don't have a command for like check if it's tilled. Okay, let's just unlock more stuff. Yeah, I know there's errors in the code. Don't worry about the errors, okay? Operators? Ooh. We can do math. We can do arithmetic. Guys, we can add, we can subtract, we can times. There's mod. I don't know what this guy is. We can do comparisons, less than or greater than. We can have logical operators. Perfect. All right, you guys know how to do math. Now the program can do math. I don't know how that helps us. Okay, this is power. So 2 squared minus 5 to the 3. You get it. You get it. Guys, we're farming so much hay. We're farming so much hay. Okay, and we have logical connectives. You understand. You understand what those do. I don't know how exactly those are going to help us, but we have them. We can unlock trees if we want. Oh, we don't have the stuff for trees. Items, water. Water the plants to make them grow faster. Ooh, plants grow faster when they are watered. The ground has a water level ranging from 0 to 1. The function get water returns the water level if the ground is over. Of the ground it is over. Oh, okay, so whatever's under the drone. The growth speed of a plant scales linearly from 1x to At 0 to 5x, ooh, they grow 5 times as fast. The ground dries up over time. On average, it loses 1% of its current water per second, okay? But there are some random variants to this. Maintaining a high water level will consume much more water than maintaining a low water level, okay? You can use water on your plants. 1 tank of water is automatically added to your inventory every 10 seconds. Upgrading unlocks watering. Upgrading unlocks.watering will double the amount of water you get every 10 seconds. A tank holds a quarter water. Okay, so our water automatically refills. And we can use items.water over any watered ground to water the ground. Okay, sure, why not? So this is the water function. All right, I'm just gonna move this down here because it's bugging me that there's an error that's not really an error. That's not an error either. This is just a note. This is not a program. You absolute buffoon. I still don't know why I would want to water. I feel like we're going as fast as we possibly can, and it's still like as fast as it needs to be. Let's just unlock more things. Can we unlock this yet? Entities are trees. Trees are a better way to get wood than bushes. They give 5 wood each. Like bushes, they can be planted on grass or soil. Trees like to have some space, and planting them right next to each other will slow down their growth. Oh. If the trees are touching, they're gonna slow down. So if you plant trees on every tile, they will take 16 times longer to grow. What is this? Is this a hint? Oh, the mod operator. The mod operator can be useful here. Remember that the mod operator returns the remainder of the division. Even numbers divided by 2 have a remainder of 0, and odd numbers divided by 2 have a remainder of 1. So you can check if a number is even like this. Okay. Okay. Hold on. Let me think about this. So this is our big loop. So we're gonna put a for loop in here for I in, I think it's range, get world size, okay, if I%, I don't know where percent is on my keyboard. If 5%, let's say 4, that way they'll be offset. Equals 0. I would like for you to do this. If you can harvest, harvest, and then move north. Oh, I need to fix the tabbages. Okay, you guys can leave. Okay, so if imod 4 is 0, it's gonna harvest and then move north. So that's this one. And then when imod 4 is 1, which is gonna be this next one, I would like for you to plant a tree, please. Is there else if? Should I type else if? Elif, here we go. Elif, I love you. If you can harvest, harvest. No, I need more conditionals here because I need to tell it that if imod 4 is 1, so that's gonna be this one. If can harvest, harvest. Okay. And then I would like for you to plant entities tree. And then move north, please. Perfect. And then why don't we just have another one of these? So we'll just put another like patch of grass here. So this is imod 4 equals 2, so this will be this one. If you can harvest, harvest, and then move north, perfect. And then, oh, this needs to be elif, because it's else, it's only gonna check these once. Am I in the right row here? I hope so. And then I would like this carrot one to happen last, and then else, this is just the last one. It can harvest, and then till, and then plant, and then no, not move, and then move north, and then move east, and then it should reset. So hopefully this will offset our plants if I did it right. Tree, carrot, something's not right here. Something has gone horrendously wrong. Something has gone horrendously wrong. Oh, that's because get world size is only 3. So I only goes up to 3. So I did that wrong. This is supposed to be 4. Get world size plus 1. Yes. And then get world size should go here. Because I want this to be like 3, basically. Okay, let's try that. Tree? That didn't work either. That didn't work either. Why aren't you making carrots? Why aren't you making carrots? You're supposed to have one more row. What's wrong with you? Where's the carrot row? Where's the carrot row? I guess sometimes he's just not harvesting, huh? Maybe we shouldn't do it this way. Maybe there's some other way to do it. I is gonna tick up each time he moves. Yes, so this should run once. Only one of these should run. We can get rid of this. And then just put a singular one at the end. Okay. How do you feel about this? What do you do if I do this? Can I get more of a screen here, please? Can I get more of a screen? Okay. This one should be grass. Then this one, then this one. Oh, this one never happens. This one never gets to happen. That's confusing. So this goes up to 4. So I is going to range from 1 to 4 in order. So what I need to do is to separate the movement from the planting. That's what's happening. Let's start over, I think. Oh, I see. The movement and the planting has to be offset. Okay, I understand. Brain, come on. You can do this. You can do this. So when it's here, I want it to, so in order to decide if it's gonna move, I want some function. Oh, I see. It's on the tip of my brain. So when this mod get world size is what's gonna decide if you're gonna move. So when I.get world size, no, because that doesn't tell us where it is. Why don't we just use this? Because then we know exactly where it is. So it's gonna range from 1 through 4. I do want that. If position Y, mod I equals 0. Actually, I want this at the end. Let's put that back how it was. Let's start over. Getting really overwhelmed. For I and range get world size +1. So it's gonna I is gonna range from 1 to 4. It's just gonna go from 1 to 4. I would like for you, if get position Y equals get world size -1, I think, because this must be 0, 1, 2, right? I would like for you to move. Oh, I didn't do it. I would like for you to move east. Else, move north. Oh, guys, I'm not a good typer. I'm not a good typer. How do you feel about this program? Oh, what does get plus Y return? Let's see. Oh my god. Spam. Spammy bastards. Get position? Where's get position? Pet the piggy. You can pet the pig? Hey, why doesn't get position Y? Why can't I run this? Oh, unlock senses must be unlocked, so I can't even use that. I can't even use that. Okay, we'll use I then. Okay, what about this? Oh, it needs to be lowercase. Go away. Will this work? Okay, so now he's moving across. Okay, so now the movement is right. We have figured out the movement situation. Now we need to figure out the planting situation, which is pretty much what we had earlier. If I percent get world size, oh, that's confusing. Why is it so confusing in my brain? I don't know. I just want it to be offset by 1. I want there to be 4 actions that you do. And I need them to be done in order. Oh, okay. This'll work. So we can use this one right here. If it equals 0, just harvest. If can harvest, harvest. If you can harvest, harvest. Okay, so this should harvest every 4th one, right? No, no. Hey, why doesn't it equal 0? Do I need more parentheses? Do I need more parentheses? Is that what you want? Game, tell me what you want. Tell me what you need. Tell me what you need. I'm trying to give you what you need. Oh! Yes, every 4th one? No, that's not what I wanted. Okay, what if I'd say, why is it harvesting only the 1st one? Because I should range from 1 through 4. That's very confusing. Okay, I ranges from 1 through 4. Oh, because I'm moving over in the wrong time. I need this loop to go up much higher. Let's say 12. Let's say go up to 12, please. How do you feel about this? No, that's not right. If I percent 4, I mod 4 is equal to 0, harvest. So it's gonna go up to 1 through 4. If I mod world size is 0, then move east. And move north, please. Let's just copy and paste. Hopefully this will work. So here's what's gonna happen. It's gonna count from 0 to 12. If it's divisible by 3, it's gonna scooch over. If it's divisible by 4, it's gonna harvest. That's what I want. That's not right at all. Hey! Why? Why, game? Why? Also, why didn't you do the first one? Oh, okay, so my movement is messed up in some way. I see. Good world size? Let's say 2. Let's say 2, because it goes up to 3. Oh, it's working! It's working! And then it's gonna do this one, yes! Okay, okay, that's all we needed to do. I just needed it to move at the end of the loop, not the beginning. So now it's offsetting things. Perfect, perfect. Oh, thank God. We're finally free. We're finally free, okay. Now we can have, if I mod 4 equals 1, I would like for you to plant entities bush. No, tree. Oh, actually, if you can harvest, harvest and then plant a tree. Okay. And then we need another one of these. If you can harvest, I would like for you to harvest. Then I would like for you to till. And then plant entities, carrot. Plant entities, carrot. Okay, and this is gonna be when it's 2. And then when you're in a number divisible by, that's 3 mod 12, or mod 4. I would like for you to make another tree, please. Yes, plant tree. Harvest, plant tree. Harvest till plant carrots. Okay. Okay, let's see if this works. It should make a pattern. Oh, what? I got too many parentheses. Tree. Carrot. Something, it's almost there. It's almost there, but it's not quite there. It's almost there, but it's not quite there. Why did you change? Why did you, oh, because I put a 2 here. This is supposed to be a 3. Okay, tree, carrot. This is to be a tree, grass, tree, carrot. Grass, tree, carrot. I see. I see. We're having a problem here. with the tilling. The tilling is becoming problematic because I didn't account for which ones are going to be tilled. This is a 9 by 9 square. It's not divisible by 12. Drone, please. Dumb. Let's do it. Oh, Jesus Christ. I can't even get position because I haven't unlocked it. Where's get position? Census. Oh, thank you, census. The drone can see now. The function get position X and get position Y return the current X and Y position of the drone. At the start, they are both 0. The X position increases by 1 tile towards the east, and the Y position increases by 1 tile towards the north. It's like a matrix. Num.items underscore items returns how many of an item you have. For example, num.hay returns how much hay you have. Okay. Get entity type and get ground type. Return the... Oh, I can get ground. I can tell if a square is tilled now. That's huge. That's huge. That's what we've been looking for. Return the type of entity or ground that is under the drone. Do a flip if you are over a bush. Entities.bush. The none keyword is also unlocked. None is a value that represents that there is no value. For example, a function that has no return statement will actually return none. Get entity return type that there is no entity under the drone. Okay, awesome. Awesome. Okay, our jank function is going to work. So we don't want trees adjacent to each other. So I'm going to say that if I'm on 2... Why is this loop so long? No, let's say I in range 9. Okay, so it's gonna be like this. If I'm at 2 equals 0, then I would like for you to plant a tree. Will this work? Will this work? Else, just carrot me. Till and plant a carrot. Oh, I need to do the if can harvest Gachumachapch. If you can harvest, harvest. Then till. And then plant entities.carrot. Karoot. No, not Karoot. Carrot. Carrot. Okay, so every other should switch between, like... Carrot. Tree. Carrot. Tree. Carrot. Tree. Carrot. Tree. Oh, it's working. Oh, that one broke. Oh, it's retilling the carrot fields. So the carrots are gonna be alternately like carrots and then trees. Sure, why not, right? Like, I don't really mind if the carrots get horribly tilled, but now I can get ground type. I don't know what the ground types are. Census? Get ground type? Ground type? I don't know what the ground types are. How do I test? How do I test for ground types? Get ground type. Oh, it's grounds.soil. Okay, thank you. Okay, so we're gonna stick if get ground type in here somewhere, preferably right before till. If get ground type is not soil, yes, that's exactly what I want. Till. And then plant a carrot. So it's not gonna re-till ground that has already been tilled. Yes, carrot, tree, carrot, tree, carrot, okay. And then another tree. Olive Rider, I love these programming minutes even though you don't know how to program. I put time into Sectronics. Ooh, what is Sectronics about? That sounds interesting. Oh, it's working. It's working. He's planting carrots and trees and checking if they're growing. Drone, I'm so proud of you. He's still going as fast as he can. We really haven't needed water yet. Okay, let's unlock more stuff. How do I water? I forget the water commands. I would like to get that in here before. Actually, you just keep running while I learn about water. Loops, operators, plant, debug, trees, watering. Get water returns the ground. Yes. Unlocks watering. Okay, items. Use items, water to water. After you plant, I would like for you to water. Please. I would like for you to water. I think get water gets you how much water is in the ground. Oh, they made a bunch of programming games. I did not know this. That sounds really interesting. I really like these kinds of games, although it's really hard to program live. It takes me a long time to figure out what the hell I'm supposed to be doing. Okay, now we're watering. Are we watering slow enough that I need to worry about how much water we have? Let's check the water level. If. Nope. Caps lock. If get water is less than or equal to 0.5, then use items get water. And I don't want to type this twice, so we're going to put it outside of this statement, actually. We're going to put it right here. And then we're going to delete this whole line. So now after it plants, it should look at the water, and if it's low, it should water. Maybe. Maybe. Oh, I didn't clear it. So now it's offset. Can we clear? Thank you. All right, let's see what happens on the second pass. It's still watering, but I don't know how to tell if the water's getting used or not. I would love for you to print. There's a quick print, isn't there? Yes, quick print. Oh, this is too tabbed. Quick print, get water. Just tell me how much water is in there when you water. Because otherwise it's confusing. Hey, you're not printing. You're not printing? I can't help but feel that let's get back into the swing of things. Thank you. Oh, let's just use print then. Because quick print. Did I leave water somewhere else? Yes, I did. Okay. Oh, I didn't clear it again. So now it's gonna be offset and confusing. Okay, so it's only planting when it's supposed to now. Perfect. Alright, we don't need this anymore. Just keep going. Just keep going. I'm not too worried about it. What's this? Ooh, variables. Oh, I can assign variables. Variables can be thought of as named containers that can hold a value. The equal operator is used to declare a variable and store a value in it. Variable name equal value. The left-hand side of the operator is the variable name. You can give it any name you want. The right-hand side is an expression where the resulting value will be stored in the variable. Declare a variable named A and store the value 5 in it. Okay. Declare a variable named B and store the return value of can harvest in it. B equals can harvest. Okay. They're telling you not to confuse the assign in value to a variable operator with the equals operator. This one checks if two values are true. This one assigns values. A vector variable has been assigned. You can use it in the code to retrieve the value it contains. Okay, so I can set variables and stuff. The above loop is executed 5 times because A is set to 5. The I in the for loop is also a variable that is automatically assigned the current value of each sequence of each iteration of the loop. It doesn't have to be called I. You can give it any variable name. Okay. Variables also let you do the same thing in a while loop. While I is less than A, do a flip. Okay, so then we can make our own while loops that don't use the range kind of syntax. This does the same thing as the for loop above. We just have to increment it manually. And then there's some shortcuts. There's some shortcuts that you can use. Okay. I would like to get some wheat into the rotation if we can. Actually, no, I don't. I'm happy with this because we don't have a lot of carrots. And we have tons and for some reason we're getting wheat. There's some sort of... Why are we getting wheat? Oh, we're spending wheat. We're spending wheat to build carrots. So I would like to get some wheat in the rotation. So on the carrot ones, do I want to mess with the carrots or do I want to mess with the trees? Let's mess with the trees. So in this middle row, I'm gonna add another conditional if get position. This is X, right? Get position X is equal to 1. I would like for you to harvest. And I think grass will just grow naturally on there. No, harvest. Harvest. And then else. This stuff. No. Oh, there's undo. Guys, you can undo with Control Z. Oh, I did it to the tree one. I did it backwards. Oh, man. Oh, man. I need to do it up here. I need to do it up here. Let's move all this up. If you're in the middle row, don't plant trees. Oh, I see. I need to put it in here. This is where it needs to go. Let's put this back how it was. You don't need to be here. Is this working correctly? Is this back how we had it? Yes, okay. Okay, so when you're planting trees, I would actually like for you to check if you're in the middle row. If get position X is equal to 2, I would like for you I need to flip this around. So if you're not in the second row, plant a tree. Else, this is the jank code. Jank code. Oh, we don't even need the else because the grass grows by itself. So hopefully this will work. Hopefully now in the middle row we'll have... What? I can't do that? What if I do it like this? Is that better? Oh. Maybe we can make it... Oh, I also had a off by 1 error. If your position is 0, you're gonna plant trees. So now there's gonna be trees on the first row. The second row is just gonna have wheat, right? Yes, okay, perfect. And then the last row is also gonna have wheat. We got ore, I think, at some point. Ore? Oh, we did get ore. Yay! And then, okay. Let's say if get position mod. Hold on, I gotta find the mod button. I gotta find the mod button. Mod 2 is equal to 0. Plant a tree. So now all the even rows are gonna have trees, I think. Tree, carrot, tree. And then there's gonna be carrot, wheat, carrot, tree. Yes, okay, it's working. It's working. It's happening, guys, it's happening. Let's get, oh man, set speed. Oh, I need a treasure chest. I need pumpkins for this one. I can plant sunflowers. I can plant pumpkins. How do I expand farm? Oh, I need 500 carrots for that one. I need 200 carrots for this one. Oh man, we need way more carrots. Drone, you better hurry. He's doing so good. He's doing such a good job over there. Our little drone. I forget what the pet piggy thing is. Are we almost there? I mean, I don't know why I decided that our farm had to be like perfectly varied. But we are getting a lot of carrots and a lot of trees, so I'm pretty happy. How far are we? Oh, we're there! We're there! Pumpkins grow like carrots until soiled. Planting them costs carrots. When all the pumpkins in a square are fully grown, they will grow together to form a giant pumpkin. Unfortunately, pumpkins have a 20% chance of dying once they are fully grown, so you will need to replant the dead ones if you want to merge. What? When a pumpkin dies, it leaves behind a dead pumpkin that won't drop anything when harvested. Planting a new plant in its place automatically removes the dead pumpkin, so there's need to harvest it. Okay, so once it dies, it's dead. Okay, can harvest always returns files on dead pumpkins. The yield of a giant pumpkin depends on the size of the pumpkin. Okay, so a 2x2 pumpkin yields 8 pumpkins. Oh, okay, so the bigger the pumpkin, the better, and it grows really, really fast. It's a good idea to get at least 6x6 size pumpkins to get the full multiplier. This means that even if you plant a pumpkin on every tile in a square, one of the pumpkins may die to prevent the mega pumpkin from growing. Okay, can I expand my farm? How do I expand my farm? Was there a command for that? No. Yes, delete this one permanently. Expand. How do I expand more? I guess we just unlocked it. Do we need carrots to keep going? Oh, you still need pumpkins. Okay, let's pause you. You get little, because we need just carrots right now. So I'm actually gonna clear this, and we're gonna go wild true. If can harvest harvest. And then, oh, I need the get ground type. If the ground isn't tilled, till it. This is so janky. If the ground isn't till it. And then plant a carrot. And then move north. Move north needs to be outside of the loop. And oh, and then we are gonna need another loop here. If get position, we'll put it at the end here. Position Y is equal to 2. Move east. Will this work? Why is it not? Oh, I didn't put if. If. That's not right. It's doing it in such a strange pattern. Something has gone wrong a little bit. It's a little bit wrong. It's a little bit wrong, but we're not exactly sure what exactly the problem is. Okay. Alright, gang. I think that's gonna be it for me today. We're gonna continue this at another time. We will finish this game. I feel like what you saw. Don't forget to follow, subscribe, whatever, and I'll see you next time. Bye.